What is the difference between a chatbot and an agent? Both are built on the very same language model. The real difference is what the system around that model can do. A chatbot takes one message and hands back one reply. It has no goal of its own, and it only produces words. Each turn stands alone, so a plain chatbot is stateless. When the chat ends, it forgets everything you said. An agent is different, because you handed a goal. A goal is a target to pursue, not just a message to answer. To chase that goal, an agent adds 4 ingredients. First, tools, which let it act instead of only talk. A tool can search the web, run code, or call an API. Second, memory, so a later step builds on an earlier one. Without memory, it would start over from zero every time. Third, a loop that drives the whole task forward. The loop has 3 beats: plan, act, then observe. It plans the next single step toward the goal. It acts by calling a tool out in the real world. Then it observes what that action actually returned. If the goal is not met, it plans again and repeats. Notice the loop returns to plan, never back to the goal. The goal stays fixed while each pass adds new knowledge. Let me show the gap with one concrete request. You say, book me the cheapest flight under $400. A chatbot just gives you tips on finding cheap flights. It books nothing, because it has no tools and no access. An agent searches live prices, then filters and sorts them. It checks your calendar and pauses for your okay before paying. Same words in, but one only talks while the other acts. An agent also decides for itself when the job is done. It keeps looping until the goal is met or it needs your help. So here is the one-line test you can always use. Can it take an action and react to what happened? If yes, it is an agent. If it only answers, it is a chatbot. Use a chatbot when you simply need an answer or some text. Reach for an agent when a real task must get done for you. Recap: an agent is a chatbot plus goal, tools, memory, and a loop. Follow for more.